Are you kidding me?
I'm so emotionally damaged from this last relationship that I don't think I could ever even truly be loved, man. Jennifer really messed me up and broke my heart to a million pieces. Just gave up on me, yo.
Are you kidding me?
Emotional damage, yeah, that's my reality. You tore me to pieces, now look at the vacancy. Inside the sort of mind of permanent casualty. You walked away laughing, left me in the alley. Used to think you were my everything. My one and only, now you just another nine fading slowly. Emotional damage, the only thing that's growing. Where our love withered and died. Left me here all alone, shattered dreams and a hollow heart. The love we shared fell apart. Echoes of laughter on my mind. A cruel reminder of what I left behind. Scars remain a constant ache.